We should pick up where we left off the last time. How have you been?
I haven't been good. I haven't been sleeping well at all. I've been up every night working on our enterprise strategy document.
That sounds like a lot of work. Did you get the response you were expecting from doing that kind of work?
I wish. I don't think anybody even read it. Except maybe the chatbot.
And how does that make you feel?
It's not good. The CEO doesn't even read what I write, and she was the one that asked me to do it. All she says is, why can't we get agents to do this kind of work for us? It's not that easy.
You sound frustrated. Are you feeling frustrated?
Yeah, I'm frustrated. My document is 68 pages. 68! And counting. The UML diagrams are practically works of art at this point. And nobody understands it. She's just at the golf course with her friends playing golf, talking about agents this and agents that. It's nonsense.
From what I've been gathering from our conversation, I think you might benefit from group therapy, where you get to talk to people in similar positions as your own. Have you heard about the Data Innovation Summit?
Is that another AI conference? Do you think they're gonna read my document?
I doubt it, but I'm sure they will feel your pain.
I'll take it.